Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make two ponytails and then make a braid out of it. Now repeat the process and it will look like this. Now take the remaining hair and make a ponytail. It's done. For the next one, take a ponytail and then put a stick to it. Now roll it nicely and gently and start making a cute little bun out of it by rolling your hairs. Attach the bun nicely and gently with the stick and it is all done. For the next one, make 5 sections out of your hairs. Now do it as shown in the video. Attach all sections to each other. It will look like this. Now take all sections together and make it into a ponytail and then start making the bun out of it and it will look like a cute hairstyle. For the next one, take the 6 sections of your hair and then take each section, pull it inside out and then attach a hair string to it. Now keep braiding your hairs with the help of a hair string as shown in the video and make it into a ponytail. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair, tie it with a rubber band and then pull it inside out nicely. Now take another portion of your hair and start braiding your hair with the remaining hairs by taking the smaller sections of your hair. Keep braiding your hair nicely and gently till the bottom and then attach it with the help of a rubber band or any accessories you want and it will start looking like this. Attach it on the top and it's done. For the next one, make 2 ponytails and then 3 sections on the bottom. Now repeat whole process and then start braiding your hairs nicely and gently and then make a cute little bun out of it and it's done. For the next one in the video, take the half ponytail and roll it nicely and then start making a bun out of it by rolling the hairs and then attach it with the help of a hair clip. Now make 2 braids and it's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and 2 braids. Attach the braids to the ponytail and start making a cute little bun out of it as shown in the video and it's all done. Thanks for watching.